Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add links to Instagram story. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on this story option here. Okay, and this will open up your camera here. So I will just take a snap here, and let's suppose that this is the story that you want to post, and now you want to add a link to your story. Like when someone basically view your story, they will click on that specific link, and they will come to maybe your website or any other website that you want them to go. So then here at the top you can see this stickers option, so just tap on this one, and from here you can see the link sticker. So just tap on this one, and now you have to enter here the URL. So let's suppose I am sending someone to youtube.com. okay, youtube.com. Then what I will do here is I will tap on done, and now here you can see that the link has been added to our story. Now when someone views our story and when they click on this link here, they will be redirected to youtube.com. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.